Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. I once again welcome you all for the next set of videos on the upcoming New Year 2021. I wish you all a very happy and prosperous New Year 2021 ahead. Let us hope, unlike this 2020, let 2021 bring you all happiness and joyful day. One thing I wish to communicate, the transit predictions as well as the New Year predictions based on the planetary portion, it will impact only 15 to 20% on a person's horoscope. But the actual prediction is based on the current Mahadasa and Antardasa being running for that particular person. If a person is having a bad Mahadasa or Antardasa running in the transit, if the planetary portion is not so favorable, he may face many troubles. At the same time, if person's horoscope having a powerful Mahadasa and Antardasa running, the transit portion may not impact much on his horoscope. So this is something that everyone should remember. Now let us move ahead and find out the planetary portions during the New Year's beginning as well as the end of the New Year, so that we will come to a conclusion that how the planetary portions are, and from that I will give you the predictions of each and every zodiac sign. Before proceeding, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please keep this subscribed so that you will get all my updates instantly. On 1st of January 2021, you could see the moon is travelling on the Pushya star of Saturn. Also Saturn is very powerful at the 10th house, being a ruler, and Jupiter is also there along with Saturn there as a Nicha Bhanga Yoga. In this year, the beginning, you can see Mars is a ruler at the first house Aries, and second house being Rahu. In 8th house, you could see the Venus and Ketu together. You can also see that all the planets are under the control of Rahu and Ketu also, and except Moon we cannot consider as part because it is a fast moving planet, but majority of the planets are under the control of Rahu Ketu, and so we can see that there is a Kala Sarpa dosha in the beginning of this year. You can also see at the end of the year, the same Kala Sarpa dosha is being continued. During the 31st December 2021, you could see the moon is in the Jyeshtha star of Mercury. Again you can see all the planets are under the control of Rahu Ketu. Still the Kala Sarpa dosha is there at the end of the year also. You can see majority of the planets are there within the Rahu Ketu's limit. In the beginning of the year, Mars being a ruler in the first house Aries, you can see in the end of the year, Mars being the ruler in the 8th house, that is Scorpio. So Mars being a ruler in the beginning as well as the end, so you can say this particular year, people will be very energetic and they will be fast moving. So things will happen very fast when compared to the previous years. There will be so many changes that may occur in many countries. Also many countries may face heavy rains, heavy storm and winds due to the combination of Jupiter and Saturn together at the 10th house. You could see some people facing problems in the political side, many defeat for many leaders, and there will be upcoming of new leaders in most of the countries. During the end of the year, the chances of the justice may come in place. So there will be many problems, there will be many deaths also. So in considering the 2020 comparatively better, but still there is no much hope on the improvement in the case of the virus as well as other natural disasters. But slowly the issues may get declined during the end of the year. So first 3 to 4 months, the severity will still continue. Now let us see for each and every zodiac sign how this 2021 would be. Scorpio, the 8th zodiac sign. For Scorpio, this 2021 seems to be not much favorable, as Ketu is associated with the zodiac sign, so they may face lot of health related issues. So they must be very much careful this year on their health related problems. Also you can see on the 7th, Rahu is associated with the 7th house. So there may be problems between the partners, life partners, especially for husband and wife. There may be small issues which may lead to big problems. They may enter into small arguments which may finally result in separation of their partnership. They should be very much careful in dealing with the partners, and they should be very much careful in communicating with them. Also, the 7th house indicates the business, so they should be very much careful with the business partners also. We may not expect good results this particular year, so there may be some problems. At the same time, since Jupiter is aspecting the 7th house, some occasions there may be some good times also. So they should ensure that the projects and the deeds are clearly written and there is no ambiguity. For Scorpio, Jupiter is responsible for the 2nd and 5th house is being there in the 3rd house this year. So it is not much favorable because it is associated with the Saturn. But the good thing is their hard work will give them very fruitful results. So this year, the efforts they put in, they can expect positive results. This particular zodiac sign, the children may not study well, especially they feel very lazy and they do not show interest in their studies. Also, certain situation demand not to study also. So they should be careful in looking after their children, and they should ensure that they study properly with proper timetables. For Scorpio, Mars being the ruler at the beginning of the year at the 6th house seems very much negative for them because they may end up facing with lot of enmities, lot of troubles in the life in the initial 3 months, and at the end of the year it is the ruler at the zodiac sign itself, which becomes very much positive. So things will turn out very much positive during the end of the year. Both Saturn and Jupiter aspecting their 9th house is not so favorable. There are some occasions they may end up with troubles with the parents, especially the father and the father family. Some lucky times will get diminished for them, so they may not find suitable time for them to work. So especially the 9th house, when Saturn and Jupiter are together is aspecting, some days they feel very pleasant and happy, and some days they may have some issues, especially with their relatives. So they should be very much careful in that particular area. For this particular zodiac sign, the 11th house is being aspected by the Jupiter, which turns out very positive, and the 12th house being aspected by Saturn is also again turns out to be very much positive. So both the 11th and 12th house becomes very positive. So this year they may expect some good revenue. At the same time, they may spend a lot due to some good occasions, especially like for children's education, for marriages, other good functions and all. So the expenditure is also at peak, and there are some good opportunity to earn also. So those who are working in a very honest way for a very long time, they can expect good promotion and good transfers and good increments. Those who are aspiring for good job opportunities, due to their hard work, they can get into good companies and they can succeed in their life. Those who are trying to do business, they should be careful in this particular year. Without investing much, they can try to scale this particular year. So children's education must be in a big question mark because they don't find things very positive. So for Scorpio, this 2021, the first house being affected due to Ketu present there, the third house being affected due to Saturn and Jupiter together congested there, and the fifth house being affected due to the Saturn aspecting that house. The 7th and 9th house seems to be partially affected. Jupiter is aspecting the 7th house, which reduces the ill effect of Rahu, and 9th house, since Jupiter and Saturn together aspecting the house, it becomes partially profitable and partially negative. The 11th house is being aspected by Jupiter becomes positive, and the 12th house being aspected by Saturn becomes again it's a positive sign. So considering all the planetary positions this year, we can expect a positivity of up to 70% for Scorpio.